CRGO stands for Cold Rolled Grain Oriented Steel. CRGO steel has high magnetic permeability and low core losses and hence useful for making transformers. It is made through a process of cold rolling and heat treatment which aligns grain structure of the steel. The crystal lattice is aligned with the rolling direction. That improves the magnetic permeability, which is the ability to be magnetized, which is essential for efficient transformer function. CRGO steel has about 3% silicon content, which also improves its magnetic properties and reduces hysteresis losses. CRGO core is made of stacked CRGO laminations. Laminations are coated with an insulating material to prevent conduction of eddy currents between them. This reduces energy dissipation as heat. I have just removed part of the cover of the transformer just to show the laminated core. You can see that this core is made of several laminated sheets, and the lamination is needed to prevent eddy currents. The core will have eddy currents, will heat up the core, and that can be prevented by using a laminated core. And when eddy currents are there, that will cause generation of heat and loss of energy, so that the efficiency of the transformer in converting the power will be reduced if you use core without lamination. Core with lamination will improve the efficiency of the transformer.